There is also a slot in the base. Tilt the bolt and insert the corner first, then insert the other side. Fix one screw at the bottom first, and the rest screws at the bottom no need to add it in this time. Fix the screw in the joint parts. We will insert the left bolt. Uplift the rear bolt, inside the left bolt, and then lie down the rear bolt, as you can see in the corner. Then you can fix all the screws in the joints and at the bottom size.